Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set date on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. In settings, okay, scroll down and go to system. In system, okay, go to date and time. In date and time, okay, you can see the set date. And okay guys, the set date is April 30, 2022. Okay guys, to change or to set the date, okay, you'll have to do is tap the set date. And the pop-up art show, now you can set the date. Okay, so, okay, for my example, I set into May 25 and 2022. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so after you set the date, okay, tap the OK button below. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the date on my itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.